Hi everyone, Mike McNeil here with Alcorn Music Studios. Just going to introduce you to a concept called linear drumming today. And all linear drumming is basically none of the drum parts, or your limbs if you want to look at it that way, are playing at the same time. So you're outlining a rhythm, but each limb or each part of the drum that you're hitting, or part of the drum kit that you're hitting, is taking turns, note by note. And so I'm going to show you a quick exercise that uses all four limbs, and it's kind of a basic linear pattern. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to play right, left on the hands, and then right, left on the feet. If you're leading with the left, you could go left, right on the hands and left, right on the feet. The only thing I'd say is, for now, don't mix and match them. Don't go right, left on the hands and then left, right on the feet. We could do that somewhere down the road, but for now, if you go right, left on the hands, go right, left on the feet. If you go left, right on the hands, go left, right on the feet. And for the feet, you can use either a bass drum pedal and a hi-hat pedal, so you'll get two different sounds, or if you got a double bass pedal, you can play both the feet notes on the bass drum. So here's what it sounds like. I'll do it first with just the bass drum. So I'm going to play both feet notes on the bass drum. And then I'll do it with the hi-hat pedal. And so eventually when you get this going faster, you can create some kind of interesting fills. So anyways, I hope that's helpful to you in terms of getting into some linear drumming. Thanks.